video, you jump. I'm running to it. Spin it in, win it.
HellCat, guys. Good luck.
Alright, YouTube. Hey, I'm back. You feel me? You see what the fuck going on, man. It's a whole lot of outside. Fuck you talking about? But yeah, we on the way to a new location. I should have been started the vlog about an hour ago. You feel me? But yeah, you see it's a whole lot of outside. HellCat, blue eye, fuck you talking about? You hear me? Hear that goddamn wine, boy? There's a whole lot of outside though. You feel me? By the way. We done got shut out. We done got shut out of like goddamn 3 locations already. Grind don't stop though, you feel me?
2 hours later.
That nigga there? He's certified. That was a bender.
He's certified.
Lord Bender.
CCS.
Not a bender.
That must have been the one.
Yeah.
You done set the bar high for niggas.
Yeah.
You done set the bar high for you niggas. HellCat, guys. Good luck. That was you? Is that you? That's not you that I have on. Must got handbrakes.
Are you niggas okay? No, are you niggas okay?
Man with the plan, huh? Yep. Hey, what's the word, Freeze? Man with the plan, huh?
Let me see some.
This motherfucker be bad.
I ain't let it. Nah, don't put this over. Yeah, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. Can you hear a little sound though? Can I hear a little sound? Can I get a little sound though? Little sound. All right, baby.
I'm finna get I got you.
I ain't going.
Look at dude. He said, I'll do it. Look at you. Now you gotta get
That bitch loud as hell. Huh?
You gonna get yours?
Hell no.
Hey, would you race for $1 right now?
Hell yeah. Yeah, that Mustang loud as fuck.
Hey, hit yours again.
Hell yeah. Yeah, nah. Can't slide him, man. I got a race tire on though. Smoked out. They got this bitch smoked out, huh?
How's that?
Hey, behind the scenes, my nigga finna get active. Fuck you talking about?